Welcome back for the very last time. I said the last interview was the last one. It's not true. I was fibbing. We got the band setting up. What's going to happen a little bit later on? Who knows? But I'm joined here by Residential New Business Director for Daikin, Iain Bevan. Iain, welcome. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Nice
Shwmae.
to see you. Shwmae daar. How are you?
Tidy, that is. Tidy. How are you?
I'm very good, thanks. I'm pleased to be here. It's been a busy day.
Hold it.
Lots of people all around the place. Lots of people I know, lots of the trade. So yeah, good, really good.
It's kind of become a meeting place for old friends, hasn't it?
Definitely.
You've been walking around?
I've been walking around a lot. Got my steps up.
I'm still at, what am I at? I'm at 11,600.
You sat down a lot.
But what's your impression of the show?
Yeah, good. I've been involved with InstallerSHOW for a number of years. My background is I worked for Glowworm. I worked for Valen Group for a long time on the boiler side, and now obviously we're on the renewable side. So I've seen it develop.
Yeah.
And now, it's more like a big trade show.
It's
it's where the trade do want to come now.
It's
so
incredible,
it's
isn't it? And so some of the audience probably have heard of Daikin, but not necessarily know who you are. Tell us about you, and also about Daikin.
Okay, so quickly, like I said, I've been in the heating industry for probably too long. Spent a lot of time at Glowworm and Valen for about 12, 13 years. I set up my own plumbing and heating contracting business then, mainly installing boilers in the new build sector down in South Wales. And then I finished that and joined Daikin about 13 years ago, just to help develop the renewable side of the business. Daikin itself developed in 1924, so we've been around for a while. Making heat pumps for a while, initially air conditioning, so cooling, and then we launched air-to-water heat pumps in about 2006. So we've been selling air-to-water heat pumps in the UK for quite a while now. Daikin have sold 750,000 air-to-water heat pumps across Europe since that time. So yeah, they've been doing it for a while.
Wow, and well, next year's centenary. Are there big plans for that?
Yeah, lots of plans. Hopefully some drinks.
Some drinks.
And reward everybody for their hard work. Yeah, but you see a lot more about Daikin celebrations now as we move into next year, both internally for staff, but also for our customers and our customer network as well.
Fabulous. So you're probably looking forward to that, I should imagine.
Definitely.
But why should a plumbing and heating installer make the transition to low carbon heating systems, and what support is there for them?
And that's a really good question. I haven't been a plumbing and heating installer myself, and I know how difficult that is.
Yeah.
It's finding business, managing that business, making a profit. But the UK direction in terms of low carbon is definitely set now. As I say, I've been working with heat pumps for the last 12, 13 years, and we've had some false dawns and some dips and then some growths. But it's definitely set. The direction for the UK is now set. It's just a matter of how quickly can we get to where we need to go. And I think if you're a plumbing and heating company in the UK now, you should already be starting to think about how do we make that move into that sector. It's just another heat engine.
Yeah.
But you need to have the skills and the knowledge and the support to sort of develop that side of the business.
We've been having debate. I don't know if you saw the debate earlier.
Yeah, I've watched a few.
There's still a lot of education that needs to go on as far as the end customers, so the private homeowner and so on and so on. And I'm one of those people, and also the cost aspect of it. But I understand, and also the installers. There's training to do and so on. But I know that you're giving installers, I think £250 for each Daikin that's installed, and in Scotland, the hybrid system that they can install. Tell us a little bit about that.
One of the things you mentioned there needs to be support for installers.
Yeah.
To make this move into this industry, they need to see that there's some business there at the end of it.
About 600,000 installs a year.
600,000 installs by 2028. There was probably about 60,000 last year, so there's still a long way to go. And you're right, there needs to be more awareness. There needs to be probably some more incentives, some more marketing campaigns. So what we've done, the boiler upgrade scheme in England and Wales, is probably not moving as quickly as everybody would like to see. And the same as the home energy efficiency scheme in Scotland. So what Daikin have done is offered those installers an extra £250 for every one of those installs, so we can get people talking about the boiler upgrade scheme, maybe promoting it more, same as the home energy scheme in Scotland.
How's it been going?
We started, it's literally, for us, it's just started on the 21st of June.
Okay.
So it'll run until the 31st of March next year.
Right. Has there been interest there? I mean,
it's already, installers have noticed it, they're interested in it.
Important.
It's up to the installers what they do with the £250. They can give it to the end user, they can put it off their price of the job, they can put it against their profit. But it's all there to incentivize that uptake, as you say, really.
So you're also offering an incentive for installers to start using Daikin's range of air source. How does this work?
So again, it's a lot of work for an installer to make that transition, from a tried and trusted market that they're used to. So what we're trying to do is help those installers make that transition.
Are you finding, sorry to interrupt you, but are you finding a lot are looking to retrain, or are you targeting younger members coming, or is there, you trying to find a balance?
I think it's a mixture
somewhere?
of both.
Yeah.
I think there are installers out there, probably my age, that think it's probably enough boiler work out there for me now until I retire.
Let
and that's
the
fine.
We
need, that needs to continue. There's installers in the middle that have been doing boilers for a long time. We need to think about it, and then there's the younger ones coming through. Whichever ones they are, they need training, they need to be accredited, they need some support. So we're offering those installers some discounted offers on MCS accreditation. We're offering them free training with Daikin, but also more importantly for us then, once they are trained and ready to go with heat pumps, we're offering them leads to help them find some business to start, because the best will in the world, you can train in a classroom, but the best way you learn is installing. And so the more jobs you get, the better you get, the better your margins get. So we will enroll them on our lead management tool, we'll give them the leads, hopefully they can get the work.
There's been a lot of talk from the installers about the Multi-Plus system. Can you tell us more about the system and when it's going to be available?
Yeah, so the hybrid Multi-Plus we're seeing a bit of a growth as well in refrigerant split air-to-air products. But one of the challenges with air-to-air is you need to generate hot water as well. So we've developed the hybrid Multi-Plus, which is an air-to-air system, so heating and cooling using a refrigerant connection, but can also generate hot water. So it gives, in smaller flats and apartments, it gives us another option, if you like, which is a renewable option. We're using the air for the energy, but we can generate heating, cooling, and hot water in one system. So it's a new system. It's due out very soon.
Very soon.
I couldn't exactly tell you
Coming
when.
soon.
I could, but I'd have to kill you.
It's a secret.
It's a secret, but no, there's a bit of work we need to do on the cylinder.
You'll be making a lot of noise about it when it is.
Yeah, absolutely. And we need to do some work on the cylinder. It needs to be UK compliant. Once that's ready, then we'll get that out on the market.
Brilliant. Now, tell us where your stand is, if you can remember the number of it. It doesn't matter if you can't, because we'll find it. But more importantly, why should people come and visit you at the stand?
So our stand is, and I had to check before I came here, is C100.
C100. C100. Yeah.
There's a beer there now if anybody wants a beer. But no, apart from the beer, why should they go there? I think for us, we're showing a lot of our products there. There's a mixture of technologies, so air-to-air, air-to-water, the hybrid Multi-Plus is there. We've got our product team there running through some demonstrations, not so much selling the product, but tips and tricks when you're installing the product, so that's useful for installers. So they're there 4 times a day, running those little sessions, and also come and talk to our training team, and the guys on the stand will talk about the £250 voucher scheme, plus our support for new installers. So just come along, have a look at the products, see what support we can offer, and have a beer with us as well.
Brilliant.